This is a what the hell? Kitties all over my car. And why? Why are there kitties all over my car? No. Bandit! Come on! No, Casey! Casey, get out! Bandit! I came in this way. I have to go out this way. Dumb. Bandit! Oh, run for your life, Bandit. Oh, that was really scary, wasn't it, guys? What was the kitty? Oh, now I got two kitties. Oh. Okay, I have this glider chair in here because I can't get it out by myself. I can get it out here, but I can't get it in the house and up the steps. So I took the cushions off of it and I put my garbage in to take up to where I'm going now. And okay, yeah, see, that's why I didn't want to have to open this damn door again. Okay, see you, Bandit. Timmy! Timmy! Timmy, come on. Come on. Thank you. Sheesh. Well, may as well show off where I cut all the grass yesterday. And I'll go see, take a peek at the river, see if all my leaves blew away. See, they all blew away. I knew they would, because I'm a pro. Yes. Gully Girl rides again on her mighty yellow steed, chomping down all the grass and all the leaves. Yesterday, November 11th, on a beautiful, beautiful afternoon, when it was nice and windy. So as I cut, the leaves just blew away. Well, except for these ones, but they can stay. They show me where the line of the bank is so I don't end up in the river. Bandit! Were you scared, Bandit? What you got? Oh boy. What you got? Okay. See you later. See you later. Gotta go to work. Hey. Stupid dog. I gotta go to work. Say goodbye to me. Okay. See you later. See you later. Gotta go to work. See you later. See you later. Have a nice day.